Hello everyone, my name is Khoo Sheng and my teammate is Jian. Today, we would like to present our AACS2034 fundamental of computer network assignment. This is our network scenario. In our network scenario, we got three locations, which are location A, B, and C. In location A, we got administration department, newsroom department, and production department. For location B, we got marketing department, human resource department, and engineering department. For location C, we got international news department 1 and international news department 2. The distance between the location A and B is 500 meters. The distance between the location A and C is 200 meters. This is our network design. In our network design, we are using four types of device, which is PCPT, server PT, switch PT, and router PTMT. In the router, we are using 4 gigabit internet and 3 fast ethernet. For the connection, we are using copper strap tool to connect the PCPT and switch PT with fast ethernet interface. For location A and C, we are using copper strap tool cable to connect the switch and router with gigabit ethernet. For location B, since the distance between the router and location B is too large, so that we are using the fiber to connect the switch and the router with fast Ethernet interface. After that, we need to calculate of number of hosts required. In the question, we need to consider 25% growth. We using administration department to be an example. Using 415 to multiply with 25% growth. So, which is 113. And total up in, which is 563. And so on. After that, this is our switch required table. In this table, we need to calculate the available switch port. In our network design, the switch port only available for 9. And the total switch required is 563 divided by 9. So the answer is 63. And so on. After that, this is our FLSM table. First of all, we need to calculate the prefix. In the prefix, we need to fulfill the host required so that using 10 bits. After that, the prefix is 32 minus bits 10, so the prefix is 22. Since we are using FLSM, so all of the prefix is same. After that, calculate the Sunday mask. The Sunday mask needs to calculate all of the 1 value. So is 2 power of 1 plus 2 power of 0 is equal to 3. After that, using 255 to minus with the 3. So the result is 255.255.252.0 and so on. After that, we need to calculate the subnet address. For the subnet address, we need to calculate the value of last one in the network address. So is 2 power of 2 is equal to 4. So the subnet mask is 10.0.4.0 and so on. After that, we need to calculate the first usable host, last usable host, and broadcast address. For the first usable host, which is using the subnet address plus 1, so the result is 10.0.0.1. After that is broadcast address. For broadcast address, we are using the subnet address of next department, which is 10.0.4.0 minus with 1. So the broadcast address is 10.0.3.255. After that, we need to calculate the last usable host. For last usable host, we are using the broadcast address and minus with 1. So the last usable host is 10.0.3.254 and so on. After that, this is our addressing table for the router. In this table, we are using 4 gigabit Ethernet interface and 3 fast internet interface. And it also shows the IP address, SUN and mask, and our default gateway is none. After that, this is our addressing table for switch. In this table, show that the interface is using the VLAN 1, and it also show the IP address, SUN and mask, and default gateway is linked to the router just now. And this is the addressing table for the PC and server. In this addressing table, it shows the interface or its NIC and show the IP address, SUN address, and default gateway is also linked to the router just now. That's all my presentation. My teammate Jian will present next part with you. Thank you.
So hello everyone, my name is Sheng and I'm from DDS Year 2 Sem 3. So let's get started with this network topology of media wave company. As we can see that it consists of 3 locations, location A, location B, and location C. In location A, there are administration department, newsroom department, and production department. In location B, there are marketing department, human resource department, and engineering department. While in location C, there are 2 departments. Both are international news department, sharing the same subnet address with each other. And the next part is the network configuration for the end devices and the intermediary devices. Let's begin with the initial settings first. So both of the router and switch use the similar commands except for the host name. So we have this command to change the host name of the device, set the password for console VTY, and the secret password. We will also have the commands to encrypt the passwords, set the banner, and finally save all the settings that we have done before. And let's continue with the IP configuration. In order to assign the IP addresses into the devices, we use this command for the router, we use this command for the switch, and for the end device, we use this GUI provided to fill in the IPv4 address, subnet mask, and the default gateway. And the next, the ping connectivity. So I will just open my Cisco packet tracer, and I will just randomly choose, for example, admin PC1. So the default gateway is 10.0.0.1. So I just ping to its default gateway. So we receive with 0% loss. This is considered a success. So on the next, we ping to another location, to another subnet address with 10.0.4.4. So just ping 10.0.04.4. So this is also we receive with 0% loss. So this is also considered a success. So let's get back to the slide. So here are the resources that we use for our assignment. There are Cisco Packet Tracer, CapCut, Facebook, Google Docs, Zoom, and YouTube. So this is the end of our video. Thanks for watching.